Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Joomla on your shared hosting using cpanel. So I assume that you already have added your domain where you would like to install your Joomla CMS and you already have access to your cpanel. So once you got logged into your cpanel, just this is how cpanel looks. Now you can simply scroll down and locate SoftQLess app installer. You can simply type SoftQLess. You just type SoftQLess, or you can under SoftQLess app installer directly look for Joomla. But I'll go with the SoftQLess. And then you can see these are options. I can simply go ahead and click on look for Joomla. You can also go ahead and click on this blogs or type in here Joomla, and here you have. You click there or click here. It's going to take you to this installation page. Here you can select the domain where you would like to install it to. These are two releases to be installed. I'm just going to say Joomla. Blog, a username, a password. You definitely want to have a unique username. A role, you can select role. You definitely want to have a dedicated email to this particular admin, active email to this active account. Select the language. Okay, I'm going to keep the English. Then you have option to change the database name and change the table prefix. So simply say JMB. And this has some problem. You cannot have more than 7 characters. So that's going to be the name of the table for this particular installation of Joomla. And here you want to add your client's email so that he or she can get the login credential of this particular Joomla installation. So once you're happy, done here, go up and check all the things. Make sure you've selected desired prefix, and if you're going to select HTTPS, you definitely want to have the SSL installed on this particular domain name. Okay, so I already have installed for this domain. Select the version of the Joomla that you want to install. Setting, site name, description, user admin username, password, and role is going to be administrator, and the admin email. Okay, it doesn't create the email. You'll have to have an active email address here. And under advanced options, I had altered, changed, edited my database name and database table prefix, added one client's email, and then click install. And this is going to install your Joomla on that particular domain name. So we are done. Guys, what it does, so what I'll do, I'll show you this. This is congratulations, the software version was installed successfully. Joomla has been installed. Now if you go under file manager, under cpanel, locate that particular folder for that domain. It could be here or it might be somewhere under www or under public HTML. So depending on the service provider, hosting service provider, it differs. Okay, so you can see I'm under XML excel home.in, and you got this joomla 4.2 point something installed here. So this is how you can install joomla on your cpanel domain name on any shared hosting which uses cpanel soft kiosk. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave in the comment. I will answer it at my convenient ASAP. Thanks.